to hand it over to Suresh to explain the rules.
Thank you, Dhaval. It was fantastic round. All the 10 participants, 5 teams played superbly well. You can see.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
सर डिवाइस में हम दूसरा डिवाइस
हाँ बोलिए
नहीं है सर, ये डिवाइस में चार्जिंग नहीं है, तो हम दूसरा डिवाइस यूज कर सकते हैं?
It will take time. How much time it will take?
Sir, just 2 minutes.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay,
तब तक हम इसमें कंटिन्यू करेंगे सर.
Yes. Okay, fine. So round 1 is completed, and we know that 2 teams are at 60 points and 2 teams are at 40 points. One team is yet to open the account. So this is quick business. And Dhaval, what do you say? The teams are playing really well. They are really cut to cut and really playing quite well. We are very happy to see your domain knowledge.
Absolutely. I was not expecting that all the questions will be answered.
Yes.
So big congratulations on that.
And Baroda is full of management. There are many management colleges and there are many management students. So BME is the destination for all of you to enhance your intellectual. So welcome to round 2. It's a buzzer round. You have to raise your hand feature, which is available within the Zoom feature, Zoom app. We tried with all of you, and the system will automatically figure it out which team has raised hand the first. So we can do just a very quick demo. I will say 1, 2, 3, and all of you can try using raise hand feature in your app. 1, 2, 3. Use the feature of raise hand. Okay, all of you. All of you, please try using raise hand feature within the app. Good. So we can see Viren has raised first, then it was Shivam, the third was Ankit, fourth was Deep and Nisita, and fifth is Shivangi and Rajesh. So similarly, you have to use. Please lower the hand within the app. Use the icon. Lower the hand. Good. Shivangi, Rajesh, please lower it.
इसको पीछे ही रख दें.
Please lower the hand. Yes, the demo is over. The testing is over. Shivangi and Rajesh, please lower the hand. Within the app, you will find the icon to lower the hand. So this is buzzer round. There are 10 questions, and there are 20 points for the correct answer. Incorrect will give you minus 20 points. So play very tactfully. If you're very sure, then only use. Otherwise, it can drastically change your position. It can lower down your position. As there are 10 questions and 20 points, so maximum you can score 200 points. So with that, we'll start. So quick business. So you have to be very quick too. And कौन बनेगा चाणक्य? means Chanakya will be the person who will be very fast and very prompt. So this is the first question for you. Which sports person owns the brand ROG? Okay. So Shivam and Harshal has pressed buzzer first. So we'll unmute Shivam and Harshal. Yes, Shivam and Harshal. We are not able to listen to you. Can you type it, Shivam and Harshal? Your voice is not audible. Shivam and Harshal, very quickly.
Yes.
Virat Kohli. What to do with Virat Kohli with this brand? Are you sure, Shivam and Harshal?
Yes.
Okay, Shivam and Harshal gets correct answer. They get plus 20 points. It's Virat Kohli who owns this brand, which is wrong, but the spelling is also wrong. But your answer is correct. So Virat Kohli gets, Shivam and Harshal get 20 points. We'll move to question number 2, which again buzzer round.
Okay.
Identify the business Maharani. Again, Shivam Harsal is praised first. Yes, Shivam Harsal, please unmute and answer it or type it. I think your voice has some issue. Please type it very quickly. Kiran
Sean
Majumdar. Okay. She is from which sector?
Biocon.
Biocon. Correctly answer. Shivam Harsal, you get plus 20 points. Okay. You can lower the hand. So buzzer round is very lucky for Shivam Harsal. They're back to back. The question number 3. Which automobile company is first to sell directly to customers in India named as Retail of the Future? You have to identify the automobile company. Raise the hand very quickly. Deep and Nishida are the first one to raise hand. Let's see whether it's lucky or not for them. Deep and Nishida, it's your turn. Quickly answer.
MG, Mercedes, and Mercedes. And
Nishida. Deep and Nishida, you wrote MG. MG is incorrect. The correct answer is Mercedes. So you get minus 20. Deep and Nishida. It's a Mercedes. It's the last week. This week's announcement only. Mercedes has started work. A very different model. And being a business, forming a retail of the. For that, just give me 30-second break.
Bata.
no.
Okay, so I'll take up this question. This is ad for which brand? Quick. You have to raise your hand as fast as possible.
Mine.
No.
Food.
Okay, so no one has raised the hand. I'll give another 5 seconds. If you okay, it's Rahul and Rugesh. What is your answer, Rahul and Rugesh?
Paragon.
No, that's the wrong answer. This is actually Metro. So Metro, if you know, is a famous shoe brand for which earlier Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan used to be the brand ambassador. And now it is Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina Kaif. Okay. Moving on to the next question. This is question 5. Identify the app from its logo. Okay, Shivam and Harshal. You are the first to. Perfect. That's the right answer. Shivam and Harshal once again doing well in this round. Okay, we have Suresh back, so I'll hand it over to him.
Thank you, Dhaval. So from Q to we are moving ahead. The 6th question.
नहीं आ रहा सर.
Model T, Mustang and Focus. Are some of the famous brand names of automobile manufacturers. To identify the name of the company. Yes, Shivangi and Rajesh. Shivangi and Rajesh, you were the first to raise hand.
Model T, Mustang. It's a Ford, sir.
Ford is the
In a case,
તું લાવા જ નહીં તો દિવાળી પછી લાવશે.
Kalpesh sir, if you can unmute your microphone. If you can mute your microphone, Kalpesh sir. Yes. So we have seen 6 questions in buzzer round. Now we'll move with the 7th question.
sir, one question, sir.
If you are all are ready for the 7th one? Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
goes the 7th question. Screen share. May take time.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Yeah, give us a minute. So meanwhile, we can interact with you, Viren and Dhruvi. So both of you are at different place. So is it advantage or disadvantage? Yes, Viren.
Yes, sir.
So how are you feeling? Because both your another team member is not with you. So does it make it challenging?
Advantage, sir.
Yes, sir. It is a kind of a disadvantage.
Okay. Okay, fine. So question number 7. Identify the logo of Gujarat-based pharma giant. Okay, Simon Hassel, you are the first one. Your audio is audible. Simon Hassel, can you type it?
Yes, sir.
Simon Hassel wrote torrent. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the logo of a power company.
Sir, so there is
Torrent Power, sir.
Torrent Power. Okay, correct answer. Simon Hassel get 20 points. Is Torrent Power as well as Torrent Pharma, Ahmedabad-based company. Okay, please lower the hand. Good. So Simon Hassel, how do you prepare for the questions? Okay, question number 8. Beyond the last mountain is the biography of which famous Indian businessman? Deep and Nisida, the first place hand. Yes, Deep and Nisida. Deep and Nisida.
famous Indian. Oh, answer. Oh, yeah.
No, sir.
Deep and Nisida. You are first. Now you have to answer it.
It was my mistake, sir.
It was by mistake. Okay, we'll go to Rahul and Murugesh.
Sir, I think Prem Lala.
Pardon?
Wrong answer.
RM Lala.
Wrong answer.
It's incorrect answer. Minus 20. Rahul and Murugesh, minus 20. Now we can go to the third team, but the team will not carry points.
No, they will. Viren.
Viren. Yes, Viren.
yes, sir. Jamshedji Tata.
Jamshedji, that's the correct answer. They also get 20 points. Okay, Viren, you get 20 points. And Rahul and Murugesh, minus 20. Now, before we move to the next question, I just quickly wanted to interact with you. So, Deep and Nisida, how do you prepare these? Do you read newspaper, watch TV channels, or listen to radios? What do you do? Twitter. So we'll move with the question number 9. Identify the richest Indian woman. I'll be happy if you all can identify and answer the question. Okay, Stefani and Rajesh. Yes? Shivangi
Savitri
Rajesh, you are the
Jindal.
first one to raise
Yes,
hand.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, Savitri Jindal.
She is from which company? Represent which company?
Savitri Jindal, sir.
Correct answer. You get plus 20. Shivangi Rajesh get plus 20 points. Very nicely answered.
Thank you, sir.
Question number 10. Name the identity of a Silicon Valley firm. Yes, Shivam answer.
Meta.
Meta. Who is the owner?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Okay.
Mark
Shivam
Zuckerberg.
herself, 20 points. You answered it correctly. Now we'll see the score sheet. Before the score sheet, I just wanted to quickly interrupt. How do you find the quiz? Are they difficult? Rahul,
Moderate.
moderate. Rahul,
Yes, sir.
how did you find
Not
the
much
quiz?
difficult.
Okay. And Shivam herself, did you find it very easy? Okay. We'll move to the round 3. Over to Dhaval.
So I think before we move to round 3, I think I'll just quickly mention the scores. I think the it's like typical Hindi movie climax approaching. So I think in this round, team 2 is exceedingly well. So Shivam and Harshal, congratulations, you scored 100 points. And I think team 3 is bad.
चाहिए घर जाने
So the score as of now is team 1 is 20, minus 20, sorry. Team 2 is on 140. Team 3 is on 20. They were on 60, so they were the leader. So now they are behind. Team 4 is on 100. Team 5 is on 8, right? So it's a good competition between team 2 and 5. And with that, we'll move to round number 3.
If anyone has any query regarding scoring, they can. Yes, we'll repeat the score. Please repeat the score, Dhaval.
Yeah, sure. And minus 40 in second round. So you guys are now on 0. So yeah, thanks for that correction. Okay.
So I just repeat the score. Shivam and Harshal 140 points, and Shivangi and Meena at 100 points, Dhruvi and 80 points, and Brooke and Harshal at 0 points, and Deep and Nisita at minus 40. Hope the score is to all of you. Okay, we'll move to, if you are not able to say anything, then you can type in the chat box or you can do your hand movements, you can figure it out. You got it right, what we are referring. Okay, so we'll move with round 3, and round 3 will be taken by Dhaval Thakkar.
All right. So this round is a bit tricky, and this has actually opportunity to score more points in less questions, right? So this has only 5 questions. This round has only 5 questions. So basically, one question per team. And in this round, we will go in the counterclockwise direction, right? So we'll start with team 5, which is Dhruvi and Viren, and we'll go up, right? So team 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. At first, the question will be presented as it is, right? So it can have images or multiple images. And if a team can answer it, they will get 30 points. If the team to which the question is presented, if they are not able to answer the question, they can ask for a hint, right? Then I will give you a hint in terms of, something that will give you more clue about, what the answer is, right? But if you answer the question right with the hint, you get plus 20 points. If you answer the question incorrect, you get minus 20 points, right? So regardless of whether it's a 30-point question or a 20-point question, you will get a minus 20 if you answer it wrong. But yeah, if you decide to pass the question, there is no negative, right? So if team 5 does not know the answer, they can decide to pass it on, and there is no negative for passing on, right? So as you can see, the maximum point available are 150, right? Any questions?
हमें डिवाइस चेंज करना है, टीम 4 डिवाइस चेंज करना है.
Yes, please change it. Be very quick. So any faculty members or HT has joined, because we invited a few of them. If any faculty members or HODs or dean has joined, we'll just have their address on the quiz very quickly.
Okay, do we have Shivangi back? Shivangi and Rajesh back? All right, I think we'll give them another minute.
So I think meanwhile we can interact with students. So Siom and Harsha, you are leading with 30 points. So how? So far, so good. Yes, Siom Harsha, we can see big smile on your face. So both are regular friends or just made friends for this quiz only? Yes, Siom Harsha.
क्या कर रहे हो? इसको करना?
So Shivani and Rajesh are back.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. Dhaval, we can start it.
Okay sir.
Anyone has any question on the rules, or we should go with the first question? Good to go?
Sir,
Sorry, someone had a question?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, so the first question will come to team 5, right? Yes, so we will go with the first question now. This round has only one question per team. So this first question is for Dhruvi and Viren. Dhruvi and Viren, first I will give you the basic question. If you don't know the answer, you can ask me for a hint, but that will bring down the value of the question, right? So this is the first question. You have to connect these images, right? So there are 3 images on the screen. There is one gentleman and 2 companies logo. you have to connect these images and give me an answer that what is the phenomena or thing that connects these three images. Dhruvi and Viren, this is a question for you. If you don't know the answer, you can ask me for a hint. But if you give me a wrong answer, you will get a -20, right? So be very careful. Or you can pass the question, right? Dhruvi, Viren, I will need your answer in the next 10 seconds.
Sir, hint.
Sorry, you had an answer?
Sir, hint मिलेगी sir?
Yes. So the hint is that, so now the value of the question goes down to 20 points. The hint is that this all three are related to a sporting event. This has to do something with a sporting event. Now you have to tell me what sporting event it is. You don't have to raise hands, Rahul and Mukesh. This is not a buzzer round, right? So there is no need to raise hand. If team 5 does not know the answer, it will pass to team 4. Dhruvi and Viren, do you know the answer or you will pass it?
Pass, sir.
Okay, so this go to team number 4, which is Shivangi and Rajesh. Do you know the answer?
So wait for 1 minute. We have a network issue. We are not able to see the screen.
No, then in that case, it will pass to team number 3.
Give us 1
No,
minute.
no. No, we can't give, right? Means we have already given you chance to switch your devices twice. So this goes to team number 3, which is Mukesh and Rahul. Guys, do you know the answer?
दिल्ली ये जो बंदे हैं वो लखनऊ, उसके बाद दिल्ली कैपिटल और ये चेन्नई सुपर किंग.
हाँ, तो what is your answer?
आईपीएल टीम का है सर.
Perfect. You got the right answer, Mukesh and Rahul. So that's the right answer for team 3. You get plus 20 points because you already got the hint, right? So you get plus 20. But anyway, that's a good move. You are already on 0. So that's great. You are back to positive. Now, this is question for team number 4. I assume Shivangi and Rajesh are back. Shivangi and Rajesh?
Sir, still we are not able to see the screen. Network issue.
That's too bad. Okay, I'll let you fix the network issue. I will pose this question to team number 3. You are back? Okay. ठीक है. Shivangi and Rajesh, this is question for you.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, these companies are part of an exclusive club. Which
Yes.
club they are part of? So these are different companies, right? You can see Saudi Aramco, Alphabet, which is the parent of Google, and Tesla. What is something that is very different about them, or what is something that makes them part of this exclusive club? Shivangi and Rajesh, this is a question for you. These are three companies.
Sir, hint, sir.
Okay, so it has to do something with the size of this company.
Sir, repeat,
That's
sir, please.
the hint.
Sir, can you repeat,
The hint
sir?
is that this company's size has something to do with what makes them part of the exclusive club, right? So that is your hint, the size of this companies.
So
That's
the
a very
club
big hint.
name is Wichita KS.
No.
VICHIT. Yes. No, sir.
No, that's not, there is nothing to do with Wichita. So I think this will now minus 20 for team 4. It goes to team 3 now. Team 3, would you like to give it a guess? Rahul and Mukesh? You are on mute, by the way. Rahul and Mukesh.
Hello.
Yes. Rahul and Mukesh, do you have an answer?
Sir, Manchester United. I think so.
No. What is your answer? Can you please repeat? Or if you are not able to, use the audio, just type it in the chat window.
Sir, Manchester United ball
No, that's Manchester United is not the right answer. So you get a minus 20. Look, you can always pass on if you don't know the answer, right? Rather than getting a negative. So now this goes to team number 2. Team number 2, do you want to answer or do you want to pass it? Shivam and Harshal, you are there?
Sir, we've
Okay, they
put it on chat.
Okay.
It's $1 trillion company.
Exactly. That's a very good answer, Shivam and Harshal. These are the companies, you know, Saudi Aramco is from an oil and gas sector. Tesla is into mobility and Alphabet is in technology, right? They're very different companies, but they're all now valued more than $1 trillion, right? So team number 2 once again gets a plus 20. All right. So now the question is for team number 3, which is Mrugesh and Rahul. This is the question for you, Mrugesh and Rahul. You have 30 seconds to answer this, or you can ask me for a hint. Identify the medical business started by this couple. This is a very now famous couple in India, and they have become famous post-COVID. Who are these people? And tell me the name of the company, right? So you don't need to tell me the exact name of this gentleman and the lady, but you have to tell me which company they started. Rahul and Mrugesh.
सर कोवैक्सीन है पर उसका नेम नहीं पता दोनों को.
No, so Rahul, I will still give it to you. They are the people who are behind Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech is the firm that designed or rather came up with Covaxin, which is the vaccine developed in-house in India and now being given to millions of people. So that will give you a plus 30. Without the hint, you cracked it. So good job, Rahul and Mukesh. All right, so Rahul and Mukesh get plus 30. So they have recovered the negative that they had got earlier in this round. Now this question is for team number 2. And this is the question. Team number 2 is Harshal and Shivam. Here is your question. These are two young looking people and they started a very hot startup back in 2010. Who are they? They almost look like they are college students. Yeah, they can be with you. Harshal and Shivam. If you are not able to connect through audio, you can chat, write the answer in the chat box. You need to name the company that they started, right? You don't need to know who they are. Okay, yeah. You want a hint? Okay, this the startup that they started has something to do with mobility, right? So that is your hint. And all of us must have used it once in a while in the last 10 years that it has existed, right? There is no way you could have escaped while you live in big cities. So I've already given you more than one hint, right? So now you need to get me an answer in the next 10 seconds. You will pass or?
Pass.
Okay. They pass with a smile because they know that they have already scored enough in the last round. So no need to get any negatives. Okay, so this passes to team number 1, which is Deep and Nishita. Do you know the answer, Deep and Nishita?
Ola.
That's the right answer. So Deep and Nishita get plus 20. And now the next question is directly for them. And this is the last question for the quiz. All right. So connect these 3 images to a very popular businessman or business icon of India. This question is for Deep and Nishita, Parul University. You have 30 seconds to make up your mind, Deep and Nishita. And if you want a hint, you have to tell me within these 30 seconds.
So can you give us the hint, please?
Okay, so your hint is that this person and his company are headquartered in Bangalore or Bengaluru as we now call it. Very famous person. . Okay, you have 10 seconds to answer that, Deep and Nishta. If you don't answer that, then it passes to team number 5. You want to pass it? All right, it automatically passes because they have not answered it. So it goes to Dhruvi and Viren. Dhruvi and Viren, do you know the answer?
Neeraj Kapkar.
No, you get a negative 20. So team 5 gets negative 20. You can always pass, right? Don't remember my advice. Don't forget my advice, right? You are forgetting it and causing negative. So then it moves on to team number 4. Shivangi and Rajesh, do you know the answer or you would like to pass it? It seems like they have disappeared exactly. So, okay, can't do much about it. Then it goes automatically to Mrugesh and Rahul, team number 3. Team number 3, do you want to take a guess or you would rather not get negatives now? Rahul and Mrugesh.
Neeraj Kakkar, sir. I think so.
No,
Network
once
is-
again, minus 20. I think you guys love to negatives, yeah? Anyways, now this passes to the last team, which is team number 2.
Yes, sir. Rishi Sunak.
No, Rishi Sunak is already right there, right? So he is not a connection. So you also get a minus 2. I would not put the person who is the answer on the screen, right? And ask you to connect to a person, right? So team number 2 also gets a minus 20. But Rishi Sunak was one of the hint, right? So anyone from the audience wants to try this? Anyone knows what's the answer from the audience? You can raise the hand from the audience. I think we kept the toughest for the last, right? So this is Rishi Sunak, who is the son-in-law of Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy, right? And Rishi Sunak is currently the finance minister of UK, or the minister of exchequer as they call it. And Mr. Narayan Murthy worked as a programmer, believe it or not, in IIM Ahmedabad for a few years. So he was in Gujarat. And if you know, he also got Sayaji Ratna Award a few years back. And he also has investment in Paperboat, right? So I think you might have consumed the drinks made by Paperboat, right? They made a lot of conventional Indian drinks. So he is one of the biggest investor in Paperboat. So your connect was Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy, who has a very big Gujarat connection. So with that, we end this quiz, right? And give us one more minute to, tally up the score and announce the winner.
So Dhaval, it was a fabulous question. It was a bulldozer question because it made everyone minus 20. Those who were not tested negative points, it made it taste. Yes, so you recalled very rightly, Mr. Narayan Murthy had been in Baroda to receive the Sayaji Ratna Award, conceptualized by Baroda Management Association. So far, 3 celebrities have been rewarded by Sayaji Ratna Award: Narayan Murthy, Ratan Tata, and Amitabh Bachchan. So I am preparing you for the next Kaun Banega Chanakya. So note down these questions. 3 recipients are Narayan Murthy, Ratan Tata, and Amitabh Bachchan. And now we will see who will be the 4th person to receive the Sayaji Ratna Award. It has been very wonderful quiz organized by Dhaval and along with Baroda Management Association. And you guys, you have really played wonderful, quite well, even though it is digital round, but played quite well. Now, before we announce the score, very quickly, we would like to listen to all of you. Rahul and Mrugesh, your quick response. Rahul and Mrugesh.
Hello.
Yes, other team members?
Yes, sir.
Yes, give your valuable feedback, opinion. I think all the team members can start one by one. or you can type it if you are unable to do voiceover. Unless you speak out or you give feedback, will not declare the score. And bonanza for all of you, the winning team will get prize and trophy, a wonderful trophy. It will be handed over at annual management convention, which will be organized by Baroda Management Association. So before that, I would like to make a very important announcement. The committee management program, Management Institute Program Committee is also organizing book review and summary competition where you can participate, and it will be in November, where you have to read and refer a book, and you can share the summary as well as review. And the winning person, which is individual competition, the winning team will be rewarded at annual management convention organized by Baroda Management Association. So you can quickly share your feedback. Then I will ask Dhaval to declare the score. Yes, 5 teams. Your valuable feedback. Unmute yourself and.
Yes, I think Shivam and Harshal have already typed in. So they enjoyed and very informative. Thanks for that, Shivam and Harshal. Any other feedback? I think the feedback we have for you is that when you are doing a digital quiz, right, you have to have a very good connection, right? Because if you don't have a good connection, you lose money, and even if you know the answer, because in some cases it seemed like you knew the answer, but you were in the bad spot or you were not able to see the question, right? So in this 21st century, we all need good data connection, right? Because it's all about data. All right. So I think this was a very close round and a very tough round, it seems, right? So team 1 was one of the team that scored a positive in this, right? So good for you guys. Team 1, Deep and Nishita. So you got plus 20. Team 2 had a plus 20, but then they got minus 20, so they netted 0. Team 3 had lots of plus, but also lots of minus, but they netted plus 10, so which is a good thing. They came out positive. At the end of this round, Team 4 and Team 5 both got a negative, right? So overall, I think the standing after the round 2 stays more or less same, right? So obviously, the second runner-up is team number 5. So give yourself very big hand, right? Dhruvi and Viren, I think you guys tried really hard.
Thank you.
So a bit of a round of ovation, right, for them, because they tried in the prelims really hard and they made it last minute through the wildcard round. So congratulations, you guys are second runner-up. The first runner-up is team number 4, Shivangi and Rajesh. So you scored 80 points. Congratulations to you. And the winner, and I think they love the T20 format, right? Because they took it in couple of overs, right? They knew which bowler to hit. So, and the bowler they hit was round 2, right? The quick business round, where they scored a perfect 100. So the winner is team number 2, FMS MSU. A big congratulations to Harshal and Shivam. You guys did amazing, you guys. But yeah, you have to work on your data connection as well, right? Because given the kind of world we live in, we had to offer you flexibility of typing in your answer, which you made very good use of, right? But yeah, be prepared wherever you are going, right? Business quiz is a very small thing. But when I started business quizzing 15 years back, I used to tell myself that even if you don't win business quiz, you always gain knowledge, right? Means today there were like 25-30 questions, right? And many of you did not know answer to that, right? But at the end of the quiz, everyone is a winner because you gain the knowledge, even if you don't win the quiz, right? So one way or the other, you always win. So all of you are winners. So a big congratulations to you. And as Suresh said, the trophy will be given to winners during the annual management convention of BMA. So be there. And even if you are not the winner, you should participate in those events, right? Because that's where you make connections with people like Suresh and people who are doing big things in and around Baroda, right? So, and now that, the unlock has started, I think you will be able to make the most out of it. So I highly recommend you guys to do that. And with that, I'll pass on to Suresh for his closing.
So congratulations to all the participants. So winning team is from FMS MSU Baroda. The second number team is Shivangi and Meena from ITM SRS Baroda University. And the third team is from again FMS MSU, Dhruvi and Viren. So congratulations to all the three. So the one team will qualify and will the win award at annual management convention being organized by Baroda Management Association. And all the team, those who participate in prelim, they will get the participation certificate. So do remember to collect from Baroda Management Association. And whenever you got time, do drop in at BMA. BMA would be very happy to see you. And we are also working on various different events for management students. So you can give your ideas, you can join your team, our team, committee, you can work as a volunteer, you can act as an active member and be a part of a very vibrant community of BMA. And we want to conduct various programs so you can benefit and we become an enabler for you. So do join in BMA. And before that we close, we would like to quickly hear from you. How did you find about the format, about the type of questions, about the type of quizzing, or is quizzing your first love or not, but it will be your love. So we'd like to quickly hear from you. Yes, be very open, be very candid to us and share your feedback. Dhruvi, Viren, Deep, Nisitha, Shivangi, Rajesh, Shivam, Harshal, and Brugesh and Rahul. Yes, please share your valuable feedback. Okay, Shivam and Harshal wrote, it was fun and we would like to participate in more such quizzes. Yes, we'll organize. Shivam and Harshal again wrote, knowledgeable, wonderful, informative. Format is perfect. Okay, we'll like to listen from others too. Moderate question, yes, we kept it. And we are also working on various different events for you, like case study competition, marketing, campaign competition. But everything depends on your enthusiasm and participation. So you can join our committee and team. So we can serve you better and we can create a very vibrant community. So thank you for joining us. We say goodbye to you and happy Diwali. Bye-bye.